Press molding or compression molding is a manufacturing version of making waffles. Material is introduced to a heated mold and then compressed with pressure, squeezing out excess material along the parting line. Often used with thermoset materials, the heat in the mold helps cure the material into its final form. Both thermoplastic and thermoset plastics can be used in this process, depending on the end use of the part. A common use example of press molding would be the outsoles for shoes or rubber rain boots. I've designed this trivet with this method of manufacture in mind. If you look at this in a cut-through, you can see there is significant thickness variations between the thickest and the thinnest parts of the design. Because the silicone is a thermoset, it won't melt under the heat. You can get some depth out of press molding with open shapes, but this process is best suited for larger, flat shapes. You might choose press molding when your project starts to exceed sizes suitable for injection molding, or because the machinery costs less. You can even have variable wall thicknesses with this method because the parts are generally thicker and solid overall. Since the compression is the only force introduced to the material, it lacks some of the integrated stresses and results in a relatively stable part. The mold halves no longer have to be cavity and core. They could both be cavity sections for thick parts. Keep in mind that compression molding also has ejector pins, so this will affect your design. Because of the squeezing action of this method, flash material can come out of the sides along the parting line, and that will need to be trimmed off later. Of note, compression molding was the original method to form bakelite products and is well suited to molding fiber-embedded or composite materials. Because composite materials often don't flow as easily, compression molding can make accurate parts with chopped synthetic or organic fibers embedded in the plastic.